It's 2021. We made it. Happy New Year to all of you. I just want to first take some time, as always, to say thank you so very much for supporting this channel. It means the world to me. Quite frankly, if you're not here, this channel doesn't even exist. Your support means everything. And I hope you see all the hard work that I put into each video, into each recipe. I hope that shines through in each video that I do for you all. And I love you so much, and I just so appreciative of all of you. This has become a really great channel for many people, and it's become such a blessing to me. So I appreciate you all so very much. Just taking a second to look back in 2020, it's what a year. I mean, I think most would say probably not the best year they've had. Started off okay, and then obviously COVID hit and completely turned everything upside down. It's hit home for us. We had several family members and friends get it. We lost a close friend at church, a good friend down the street on our block. So it's definitely hit home, and I know a lot of you are experiencing that same heartache. Just so many folks losing their lives to this, and it's just been a really hard reality for so many folks. And then obviously the isolation is a big issue, and it's super hard. So I hope during this past year you've found a little bit of an escape through this channel and found a little joy as I've tried to cook and make things approachable and easy for you all. And like I said, just a little bit of a getaway. I hope that that's what you found here and you've enjoyed everything this far. And obviously we'll continue to try to do that into 2021. But we're not there yet, you know. We're not out of the woods yet. I wish just 2021 hit and like boom, everything changes and goes back to normal. Obviously, that's not the case. I don't know that we'll ever be the same again, you know. But my hope and my prayer is that you all stay safe and that we'll get through it together. We'll get through it as a country, as the world. I believe we'll get through all this. So now looking into 2021. I'm going back to 2 videos. I know I said I thought originally I'd be able to go back to 2 videos in like September or October. Obviously not the case. I'm trying to build another studio since we moved out of the city of Chicago in my new location here, and it's taken a little bit longer than I thought. So I'm looking at maybe May, June of 2021 of getting in there. But I just want to go back to 2 videos. Like it's better for me. I hope it's good for you all. I feel like I have more to share. And one of these videos each week, what I'd like to do is do some really sort of hard hitting fundamental techniques. And I know I say it all the time in the videos about once you start understanding these fundamental cooking techniques and applying it to your everyday cuisine, you'll be that much better of a cook. But I want to hit them harder. And I want to focus on things like how to saute, how to braise, how to roast, how to cook eggs specific ways. That video may be coming up very soon, actually. And because I want to be able to reference them in the other videos that I make each week, because obviously I do a lot of recipes. I try to do a lot of research around these traditional, authentic recipes and provide my take on them while not forgetting all the people that came before me to make these what they are today. So I want to be able to reference. I don't want to always show, here's how to perfectly cook this chicken breast in every single video if I'm using chicken. Nope, check out the video how to perfectly cook chicken breast, and then we can all move forward together quickly and give you more information and better recipes that are more geared for you, and you don't have to worry about each singular little step all throughout the way because I've already got a video on that. The other video, obviously, like I just said, I want to do my normal sort of recipes that you've been seeing throughout the last year or so. And also, I love when you all reach out. I've had so many people say, hey, make some Portuguese recipes or some Vietnamese recipes. I love hearing that. I will do as much research as possible to try to find some of these authentic cuisines and dishes and try to bring them through my take. Based on some of my culinary knowledge to make them as best as possible, but again, keeping them as traditional as possible. And with that being said, also, I get like 75 to 100 direct messages a day between Instagram and Facebook. And if you throw YouTube in there, I probably get 200 a day. And a lot of times I have automated messages that just says, hey, we see you. I- I'll try to get back to you in a timely manner. If you have any questions, check out my website, blah, blah, blah. I apologize to some people who have wrote some personal messages. It's not being insensitive at all. I just want you to know that sometimes I just don't see them. There's just so many that come in, and I apologize. Y'all definitely mean the world to me. So if I didn't get to it, or I haven't got a chance to come back to you and write you back, I'm sorry. There's so many, and it's very, very overwhelming. But I appreciate you. The automated message, it's just there in place because so many folks have recipe questions. And to go to another level, a lot of questions that I get can be answered on that recipe page on my website, on billyparisi.com, where the written recipe is. I do a full blog post that breaks down the recipe even more with step-by-step images, really, so you shouldn't have any issues. At the bottom, I put recipe chef notes and tips, which has variations or other things you can do, how to store it, how to reheat it, all those things. Can you freeze it? All those good details are already in there. And if you're looking for recipes specifically, if you go to billyparisi.com/recipes, that page, there's a search bar. You can search for a specific recipe, or you can do it by categories. I have it by ingredients or courses. You'll see side dishes, breakfast, main course, all that good stuff in there. So if you wanted more detail, you can even do it in there. But please know, I see your messages and I try to get back. I hope you have some grace for me. But I just want to leave on this note and say, this channel is just awesome. I mean, you all are, seriously, you're amazing. As I'm kind of turning over the age here, going into the 40s here this year, this has just been such a cool thing to experience, and hopefully you still find it fun and informative, and we'll keep it rolling. And I just feel like I have a lot more to share on this channel, and we're not done yet. Once COVID hopefully breaks up, I'll try to do some other cool content for you. And if you have suggestions, I am all ears. Please, literally, my ears are huge. That's what everyone asks too. Why do you tuck your ears in? Because my ears are huge. So yes, I am literally all ears. Send me a message. Let me know what you would like to see. And it doesn't have to be a recipe video. Maybe you want me to do some more of those podcast style videos, or you want me to do a restaurant review. I'm happy to do anything and try anything for you all. This is just fun, and I love you all. I can't say it enough. So from now on, 2 videos a week. And maybe if I get into my studio a little bit sooner, maybe we'll even go to 3 videos a week. No promises. Maybe eventually we'll get there, but for now, 2 videos a week. Thank you all for hanging on, bearing with me. Here is to a healthier 2021, and I pray for all you all, and I hope you guys will see it through, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one.